Customer user-defined fields. Company, change company settings, user-defined fields, customer. When you create customers, you can enter customer details such as addresses and contact details. However, if you want to add more details, you can use these user-defined fields. There are 4 types of user-defined fields. Text values. You can enter an alphanumeric description up to 50 characters. Numeric values. You can enter numbers. Yes/no values. This is a checkbox which you can check or uncheck. Date values. You can enter dates. You can add 12 additional fields for each customer. 3 text values, 3 numeric values, 3 yes/no values and 3 date values. For an example, if you want to add customer birthday to the system, you can change this date values label name to birthday. When you enter customer information under user-defined fields, you can see that label name has changed to birthday. After that, you can select the birthday. Like that, you can change these label names from here. After change details, you can save.